In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Sales Engine with Attio. We'll start from the Attio homepage, where the goal is to build a repeatable sales process that moves leads from early prospecting all the way to closed deals. What makes Attio especially useful is that it combines CRM records, pipeline management, automations, workflows, and sequences in one place, so your team can manage everything from a single system. First, go to Lists and click the plus icon to create a new list. Choose to start from scratch. Then select companies for this example, although the same setup can also work for people or deals depending on how your team sells. Rename the list to Sales Pipeline, and then click Create List. Next, switch the view to Kanban. This is a great format for sales because it gives you a clear visual layout of where every account or opportunity stands. Enter a title for the view, set up a new status attribute, and confirm it. That status attribute will power the columns in your pipeline and help you track movement from one stage to the next. Now add the stages of your sales pipeline. Start with New Lead, which is where fresh prospects first enter the system. Then add Qualified for leads that match your ideal customer profile. Add Discovery Call for prospects you're actively speaking with, followed by Demo Schedule for those ready to see your solution in action. After that, add Proposal Sent, then Negotiation for deals that are being discussed in more detail. Finally, add Closed Won for successful deals and Closed Lost for opportunities that didn't move forward. Together, these stages create a clear journey that your sales team can follow consistently. After your stages are in place, add important attributes to the pipeline. In Attio, attributes are data fields that store useful information about each record. Open View Settings and choose to add attributes to the view. Add Lead Source so you can track where prospects are coming from. Then create another attribute for industry, which helps with segmentation and reporting. Add one more attribute for company size, which is useful for qualification and prioritization. Once those are ready, click Create Attribute. With the pipeline set up, go to Workflows to build automated lead routing. Click New Workflow and rename it. Choose Record Created as the trigger, then select Companies as the object. Click the plus icon to add an action and choose Create Task. In this example, create a Discovery Call task. Set a due date based on the created at date, assign the task to the appropriate owner, then publish the workflow and confirm it. And that's how to run a sales engine with Attio. Create your pipeline, define your stages, add the right attributes, and automate follow-up tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.